Welcome to Sabrina Whiteman. She's here at my house and is going to tell us how to make your own special scents of foaming hand soap.
So what you want to do is you first need a foaming pump. So what I use is I use mason jars, and I buy these foaming pumps on Amazon. The plastic ones don't work very well. So I found that these are a lot more durable. They last a lot longer. Plus I like to reduce plastic use anyways. So you get your foaming hand soap pump, and what you want to do is fill it with a little bit of water, and then
Like a little bit, meaning like a third?
like a third of the way.
Okay.
And then you're going to add your Castile soap. So I use this, the baby hemp unscented soap
By Dr. Bronner's.
by Dr. Bronner's, yep, and use 3 tablespoons. So you'll put that in there.
Uh-huh.
And then if you want extra moisturizing, you can add some vitamin E oil. So I use the Derma E vitamin E oil, and I do about a teaspoon of that. And then you want to add your essential oils. So one of my favorite blends is Thieves and Purification. I do about 7 to 10 drops of Thieves and 3 drops of Purification. It smells wonderful. It's very clean. Or if you want to make your own Christmas Spirit or Winter Nights hand soap.
I love Christmas Spirit.
Yes.
How many drops?
So if you want to do a blend of the Thieves and the Christmas Spirit, you can, or just Christmas Spirit. So you would do about 7 to 10 drops total of your oil for the full pump. And then once you've added everything in, fill it up the rest of the way with water, and then you're going to just gently shake it to mix, and you've got your own foaming hand soap. One of the things I love about this is it lasts so much longer than liquid soap. I wash my hands a gazillion times a day, and I formulated this back when I was working as a nurse, and I had to wash my hands every 5 minutes. So it's not going to destroy your hands and make your hands super chapped. So this is a great way to save money and a great way to enjoy your young living oils. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Great. So just a quick review. How much of that Dr. Bronner's soap for how much? Is that like a 12-ounce thing?
So this is a 30, oh, this one?
Uh-huh.
This is a 16 ounce
Okay.
pint mason jar.
And how much of that soap?
You're gonna do 3 tablespoons. of
Oh, no wonder I filled like the whole thing up. And then, yeah, no wonder it was coming out really thick.
Yeah, so a little goes a long way, and it's super easy to make. When I make mine, it takes me like 5 seconds, and I've got a whole thing of soap.
All right, great. Thank you. I'm going to try that. I'm going to redo mine.